Previously, we looked at controlled airspace, so that's Class Bravo, Class Charlie, Class Delta, and Class Echo. Now we are going to be looking at uncontrolled airspace, and there's only one class for this. It's Class G, or Class Gulf Airspace. This is going to be uncontrolled. Let's look back at the airspace profile figure. So Class G, look to the left right here, is uncontrolled airspace. It extends from the surface, you can see the surface right here, and it extends up to Class Echo airspace. So above it is just this blue, it's the sky, and you can see with this Class G airspace, it's right here, Class G airspace here, Class G airspace right here, and it can extend up to like 700 feet AGL, 1,200 feet AGL. If you watched the previous video, we talked about that's where Class Echo airspace starts at. So again, Class Gulf airspace goes up to Class Echo airspace, the surface to Class E. Now, this is uncontrolled airspace. Unlike Class Bravo, Charlie, Delta, and Class Echo, you will never need ATC authorization to operate in the Class G airspace. Class B, C, and D, you definitely need authorization. Class E, it depends, but Class G, you will never need authorization. So that's pretty much it for our uncontrolled airspace. We finished controlled airspace. Next videos, we'll be looking at special use airspace, which includes prohibited areas, restricted areas, and warning areas, and military operation areas. It includes a lot, so that'll be in the next video.